Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Nessa. Today I have a demo and a little haul for you guys on the Makartt jelly nail polish kit, and I did pick this up on Amazon. So yeah guys, I already did put on some tips, and I did get these tips on Amazon as well. If you all are interested, I will leave it linked down in the description bar down below. So yeah guys, let's just jump right into the video. So you do get 6 colors in this kit guys, and this packaging is so gorgeous. I love it. So this is the kit guys. This is how it comes. And you do get 10 ml in each of these polish. So yeah guys, let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cleansed, and I did top it off with some gel top coat. So this is the finished results. So guys, I did use 5 out of the 6 colors. So if you all are interested in these gel polish, I will leave the link down in the description bar down below. So yeah guys, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.